This is Ariana with the University of Cincinnati, Clermont College. Today we're going to talk about multiplication. And let's first talk about some words associated with multiplication that will be especially useful in word problems. So if anyone asks you for the product, or it's times another number, maybe you'll see factor of. And lots of times you'll see simply multiplied or multiplied by. So those are some key words that will let you know that you are going to multiply. So let's practice. We are going to take two numbers, let's say 62 and 87. First things first, we need to make sure that everything is lined up. So our ones are lined up with our ones, our tens are lined up with our tens. So now we start with the 7 in the 87, and we're going to multiply to the 62. So let's take this one number at a time. We have 7 times 2, which gives us 14. So we write the 4 and the 1s, but we're going to carry the 1 over to the next column. So now we do 7 times 6 is 42. And then we take this 1 and we add it. So we get 43. Okay, so let's move on to our second number. So our 8 is actually in the tens column. So really you're multiplying by 80. So what we should do here, we're going to put a 0 placeholder in the ones column. And then we can start multiplying the 8. So we have 8 times 2, which gives us 16. We write the 6. And then we take that 1 and carry it into the next column. There's already 1 there, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Now I have 8 times 6, which gives us 48, and then we add that 1 for 49. Okay, so now we can go on to step 2. Step 2 is adding together our two numbers here. So everything's lined up. We have 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 6 gives us 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. And our answer is 5,394. Okay, let's do one more practice. So we'll do 34 times 21. Everything's lined up. We can go ahead and multiply. So I have 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we're going to multiply by that 2. But let's not forget our placeholder of 0 first before we get started. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So now we can move on to step 2, which are adding those two numbers together. So we have 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry that 1 to the hundreds. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. For an answer of 714. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.